Hi, welcome to the Big Bear Homestead, and today we are excited to bring you an update. Okay, so today we're bringing you guys an update. Now this is an update on the Premier1 hog fencing. If you missed the original video, that's going to be located in a card right up here in this area. Somewhere over here. Okay, well, we moved them for the first time. We brought them out to our old garden area, and look at what they done. It's amazing. They were there for about 2 weeks, and in that 2-week time they did a super deep till of the area where it would have taken us a couple of days to get it done, but we would have been out a bunch of those little pins on our pull behind tiller, because that was some hard ground. We bust pins in it every year. Now all we'll do is we'll run over it a couple of times with the tiller just to get their manure tilled in, and then we're going to top dress it and let it rest this year. Now we got them in the new area. They moved over with ease. And how we did it is we just, because we had 400 feet of fencing, we moved them into a smaller area in the fencing that was already up. We took down the other parts, went ahead and put them up, and then we moved them into that area and put out the last bit of fencing, moved the solar charger over, and now they're back to work again. Now, the area that they're in now, they're underneath our pecan trees. They're in the old busted up raised bed area where we had a lot of the sun chokes, and oh my word, did they turn up some sun chokes, and they are chowing down on them like it is Christmas. So far the Premier fencing is doing exactly what we thought it would do. The great thing about it is now the pigs are educated to the fence, so when we moved them and we closed in the area, the fence wasn't even hot, but they still respected it. Now, why is that such a big deal? Well, it's inevitable that somewhere along the line, like when they first got in here and they were rooting up and they pushed some dirt up on the couple bottom strands of the wire. They weren't used to the fence, they didn't learn enough from the fence, and a couple of them got out. Well, now that they've been in there long enough, they respect the fence. So when stuff like that happens, yes, the fence is grounded out because of that pile of dirt that's on there, but they don't know that, so they don't test it. So if you don't have the chance to be able to go around and check it every day, if something comes up and you don't check it, that gives you a little bit of a cushion, so that way you're not out chasing your animals all over your homestead. Well, we do have a product review coming up on this Premier1 hog fencing where we're going to go into the details about everything that we like. To be honest with you, I'm trying to find something I don't like. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for coming by the Big Bear Homestead. God bless and have a nice day.